Hello. How's it going?
Great. Though I'm at a loss for what to do about my laptop graveyard, the closet where old devices go until we figure out what to do with them.
Device management has certainly gotten more complicated in recent years.
Definitely. And as employee roles and expectations change, so do their workspaces. It's hard to see the big picture. And I'm juggling more variables than ever before. Any advice?
Sounds like you're wrestling with the last stage of the device lifecycle. It's actually where we begin many conversations during a modern workspace management engagement.
What's that?
Modern Workspace Management is what CDW calls our strategic approach to device management. It's essentially a 4-pillar framework that orients where a client is on their device lifecycle journey. Our objective is to understand your device lifecycle as it stands and align the right experts, solutions, and services to achieve every outcome you're aiming toward.
I like the sound of that. How do we get started?
We just did. You're in Pillar 4, Refresh and Recover. We can help evaluate for residual value, wipe sensitive data, and sustainably dispose of retired devices.
Then what?
We go back to the beginning.
You mean Pillar 1?
You got it. Discover and design. Say you need to equip new employees.
I wish I had more time to strategize outcomes at this stage.
That's where we come in. Assessing employee needs, creating personas, and producing device roadmaps for each.
Can you do that for everyone? Not just new users?
Sure. Our modern workspace management approach is designed to adapt. You pick and choose what you want based on the solutions and services available. Along the way, you'll be informed by expert guidance that I can source for you based on our own discussions.
Will we always follow the pillars chronologically?
It usually works that way naturally, but we can come back to any pillar anytime, and our work in other pillars can overlap, whatever best achieves your vision.
Well, tell me about pillars 2 and 3.
Pillar 2 is deployment.
That process is more complex than ever.
We'll explore services that can simplify it.
Like what?
CDW can configure and image devices at scale, ship, and even store devices until you need them.
Wow. The no-touch process sounds great for large-scale deployments. But some employees need more support once their workspace arrives. Can you assist with that?
You bet. That's Pillar 3, manage. For instance, our external help desk services can respond to ticket requests.
That would free up my IT team to focus on larger initiatives.
That's the goal. Modern Workspace Management simplifies the endpoint lifecycle by organizing the journey into 4 pillars, helping you see the bigger picture,
which will help me decide what areas to prioritize. I like that.
Exactly. Once we understand your current environment and future goals, we can create a plan that optimizes your technology investments and maximizes every benefit. This will mean time and money saved over an extended period. For modern device lifecycle solutions and management, you need IT Orchestration by CDW. Want to learn more? Contact your CDW account manager.